Hey everyone, I'm going to give you a quick rundown of how to maintain your total rain. The first part we've got is the rain head. So super easy. If that builds up with any sort of micro biofilm or leaves or anything on there, all you have to do, slide that up. That'll just come out like so. And then that screen just comes out. Just give that a nice backwash, brush it off, whatever you need to do. That'll clean out quite easily if you just wash it from the rear side. And then to put it back, it simply slots into position. You'll feel when it's like seated properly. And then you get the hood portion, the cover, and then just slide that back on your pipe, and that'll generally sit in there really neatly, like so. The next portion we've got is the first flush carrot. So the way to maintain this, you might only have, both of them you'll just have to do periodically. It might be once a year, once every few months, whatever it might be. If you pull that out, that just twists off. So you'll see that I'm twisting there, and then that drops down. I can lift this whole portion up with this slip coupling. So that's the reason why it's important not to glue this part. So do not glue there, do not glue on the underside. You don't have to glue on the underside because it's got that special lip. So water is not going to go anywhere, it shouldn't. But really important that that can move freely in there. Just take this diffuser off, like so. Now, this part, it's got a really small grommet in there. Just have a look if there's anything blocked in that little hole. You'll just be able to sort of rub it out or poke it out, give it a little clean, and that'll make sure that grommet's nice and clean. It won't clog up very easily, to be honest. And then this guy as well, again, it's got the little grommet down the bottom. Likewise, you'll be able to have a look in. If you have a little look inside, it's hard to see on the camera, I know, because it's a really small hole. Just give that a little wash out from time to time as well. That'll just make sure it doesn't get blocked. Even if it does get blocked, all it means is that the carrot is going to stay down, or it's going to activate quicker. So worst case, you're not going to lose water, you're going to capture water, although it might not be first flushing quite as effectively. So do come and have a look at this every 3 or 6 months. Just make sure it's all good. I'll show you how to put it back. Slip it back inside, you'll see that spring down there. Put that plate back on there, put this little diffuser in, it all sort of just sits really neatly. Get this slip fitting, slide it on, just going to put that in there. I should point out too, we've got this clear pipe set up. That was just for testing and demo purposes, so I know you won't have clear pipe at home, you'll have opaque pipe, so I know it does look a little bit weird. It's also taped up, which is not normal. You'd normally have this pipe glued into place. Screw it up, you'll feel it, you'll feel when that seal bites. You don't have to like over torque it or anything. And then this bit here, we'll just make sure that that is seated on the pipe below, like so. And then it's all done. So that's all there is to maintain the total rain. It'll just take a few minutes. Thanks guys.